Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's Mandala and meditation will help you open deeper compassion for yourself and for the others and for the world around you. As I create this design dot by dot, swipe by swipe, allow your breath to slow down. Let your mind be quiet and your heart soften into connection. Close your eyes gently and keep your gaze soft. Bring your awareness to the center of chest, which is your heart space. Take a slow, deep breath in. Exhale softly. Feel your chest rise and fall. Feel the presence of life inside you. Feel the warmth within your heart. Now imagine a gentle emerald green light forming in your chest, which is soft, glowing, peaceful. With each inhale, the light grows brighter. With each exhale, it expands outward. This green light is the energy of compassion, a love that understands, accepts, and embraces. Now imagine yourself sitting in a quiet forest. The air is cool, fresh, filled with scent of nature and the earth. A sunlight trickles through the trees, casting golden beams on you. The forest is completely still, as if it is holding space for your heart. As I place each dot in this mandala, imagine each dot connecting you more deeply to yourself, to nature, and to life. Now place hand gently over your heart. Feel its warmth, feel its rhythm which your heart is carrying. Your heart is also carrying every joy, every sorrow, and every lesson. Now imagine a stream of green light extending from your heart outward, soft, flowing, and peaceful. The light reaches someone you love so deeply. See them wrapped in this gentle green glow. You offer them love, support, understanding, and joy. Now imagine the green light extending to someone you haven't spoken to in a while. Someone you miss, someone you think of sometimes. You send them the warmth. Now imagine the light extending to someone perhaps who hurt you or someone you struggled to understand. You don't have to force forgiveness. Just allow compassion to flow. Allow the space. Allow peace. Now imagine the green light expanding even further. to your family, to your community, to your surroundings. Slowly it expands outwards until the entire earth is wrapped. The trees, the oceans, the animals, every human being, all wrapped in your compassion. As this mandala forms, your heart grows spacious like the open sky, vast, deep, and unlimited. Take a deep breath now and feel your heart expanding with love. Compassion doesn't drain you, it fills you, it nourishes you, it connects you. You are not alone. You are connected to all life. Feel your heart soften, open, bloom as wide as the forest around you. Now visualize your heart as a glowing, radiant sphere, green, bright, pulsing with life. The sphere aligns your energy, balances your emotions, and brings your heart to perfect harmony with the world within you and with the world around you. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat them mentally or out loud. My heart is open to understanding and compassion. My heart is open to understanding and compassion. I connect with others through love and presence. I connect with others through love and presence. Compassion flows naturally and freely through me. Compassion flows naturally, freely, and through me. I offer love without losing myself. I offer love without losing myself. I am deeply connected to all beings. I am deeply connected to all beings. Take a gentle breath in and exhale softly. Feel the spaciousness in your heart. Feel the openness in your heart. Also feel the tenderness and the connection in your heart. If this meditation has helped you, share your experience in the comments, and your comments may inspire someone.